So when you're working with parts and whole fractions, once again, there are three different ways you can do this, and you can pick whichever way that works for you. Let's go ahead and use another example. Four-sixths of 12. Here's the first way you can do this. First of all, next to my denominator, I'm going to write the word draw. Then, next to my whole number, 12, I'm going to write dots. Then, next to my numerator, I'm going to write circle. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 6 circles. Then I'm going to take 12 dots and place them evenly within the 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I just took and I drew 6 circles. I placed 12 dots in them. Now I'm going to circle 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I count all the dots that are in here, I know that 4/6 of 12 is equal to 8. Why? Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots within 4. This is 4/6 of 12, which is equivalent to 8. Alright, so that's one way you can do that if you like to draw and if you're a visual learner. Another way is this. I could take my same exact problem, 4/6 of 12, alright, and I know that 6 times 2 is equal to 12. But I have a 2 down on my denominator. I also have a times 2 for my numerator. If 6 times 2 equals 12, I know that 4 times 2 equals 8. So once again, 4/6 of 12 is equivalent to 8, which is the same answer we got the first time we did this problem. Alright, and the last example I'm going to show you is probably the most mathematical way, and this is what you're going to need to know for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Parts and whole fractions. Let's take the same problem one more time. 4/6 of 12. Wow, when you get into the upper grade, you're going to know that of is the same meaning as multiplication. So, I could erase my of, and I could just put my times sign or my multiplication symbol. Now I'm taking 4/6 of 12 or 4/6 times 12. But you can never take a fraction and multiply it by a whole number, so we can turn 12 into a fraction. 12 written as a fraction is the same thing as 12 over 1. Alright? This still says 4/6 of 12, but it also says 4/6 times 12 over 1. Now, let's take our numerator and multiply it by the other numerator to get our new numerator. And our denominator multiplied by our denominator to get our new denominator. 4/6 of 12, or 4/6 times 12 over 1, is the same as 48 over 6. We cannot leave it like this. We have to divide. We have to divide our numerator by our denominator. 48 divided by 6. Okay, which we know that 6 goes into 48 8 times. Why? Because you get 48, and if you subtract, there's no remainder. We just found that 4/6 of 12, or 4/6 times 12 over 1, is equal to 48 over 6, which is equivalent to just 8. There are 3 different ways that you can do this problem. I recommend picking any way that works for you.